to vlogging. It's been over a week because my last day of school was Tuesday. My last day of work was Thursday, but there was nothing to vlog during those days because they were just like teacher and service days. And yeah, I was just kind of like taking a little break. I did film a bunch of videos, but I was really just kind of getting a lot done around the house. Like I have been like an Energizer bunny. I have been go, go, go. I have not stopped. It's been gorgeous outside, and so I have been spending like the entire day outside. Yesterday I think I was inside for maybe 5 minutes. Like I've just been doing yard work and a bunch of different stuff around the house too. I cleaned around here, and yeah, I actually wanted to vlog. Like I pictured my first summer vlog being me taking Dixie somewhere, because I really want to do a bunch of day trips this summer and go different hiking places and here and there, and just kind of like explore during the day, and then get home for when Tony gets home to like have dinner and stuff with him. That's why I just want to do like day trips during the week. But I think just because it's the first week of summer, and usually the first week I do a lot of like housework and just kind of like get caught up because I'm always behind because of the end of the school year is just so nuts. So I think next week I'm definitely going to probably take you guys along to some sort of trip, like a day trip like I said, or something like that. I'm pretty sure today I'm going to be organizing my craft area. I have a craft desk. It's also where sometimes I film, and it's just kind of gotten a little crazy. Also, I am working on launching my Etsy store, which is really exciting. But I have just been getting like a bunch of stuff, like packaging things and stuff like that. And all of this like inventory coming in, I need to organize, and I need to just like I don't know, evaluate like what I have in my craft table and what I can take and maybe put in the attic. Like I'm not a hoarder with other things around the house, but when it comes to like my arts and crafts stuff, I hate throwing stuff away because I just feel like I will never know when I need it. And another thing, I'm guilty of having like tons of different arts and crafts hobbies. Like I'm in the middle of crocheting a blanket right now. I'm in the middle of sewing a quilt. I have this Etsy stuff going on. I have paintings that I haven't finished. Like I'm just that artist that's kind of all over the place, and I kind of love it, but you know, it's the one part of my life that's not like very planned out, I guess you should say. But it's just, I get bored easily like with one things, and that's why I have so many hobbies. So anyway, my point is I can't throw away things, so I am just gonna, like, if I'm not using those items, I'm gonna probably move them up to the attic and do storage that way, and just kind of make like an organized area for all of my Etsy stuff that's been going on recently. Also, even though it's like 2:30, I need to make lunch really quick because I haven't eaten anything but yogurt today and a lot of coffee. So what I've been doing for my lunches in the summertime, I love not having to pack, number one, but in the beginning of the week, I usually make a big thing of chicken, and I just kind of like use that throughout the week. And I just like to do chicken salads. Sometimes I throw some strawberries in there and some walnuts and do like a summer salad. Other times, maybe if we have Mexican stuff around, I'll do like a Mexican salad, which is, I think is what I'm gonna do today, because we had tacos on Monday and Tuesday. And this is Gwenny. She's never in the videos because I feel like she's always sleeping. She's a sweetheart though. She really is. Felix is the other black cat. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Be nice, Dixie. Be a good girl. Be a good girl. I wouldn't say they get along, more like Gwen tolerates Dixie. Okay, so for my salad, like I said, I just do some chicken. I baked it in the oven, and I just did a big batch of it, and then I cut it up for the week. I have chicken, I have taco seasoning, 2 different kinds of salsa. I like that verde salsa, and then just like the red chunky kind. Over some spring mix, and what else? I think that's it, because like we were out of black olives, and like we had corn salsa, but we were out of that. Oh, Greek yogurt too. I have a little dollop of Greek yogurt on the top. It is the non-fat Greek yogurt, like plain, not flavored or anything, and it tastes just like sour cream when it's mixed into like your Tex-Mex meals. I totally suggest doing it because it's like added protein in your Mexican and you can't tell the difference. We also use it to make ranch dressing. If you get the ranch packets, just like of the powdery like mix of ranch, the seasoning, you put it in the non-fat Greek yogurt and then you have ranch, and we call it our protein ranch, and it's really good. You might recognize this table because I film in front of it pretty often, but it's actually my like arts and crafts table. What I did was from IKEA, I got the drawers right here and then one over there, and then I also got just like a tabletop, and I got one table leg for the center for support, and then this just sits on top, and I do have like a little L bracket holding them together, but I wanted kind of like a craft table big enough and with the storage that I needed. Now unfortunately it's not enough storage anymore, so I brought up this table, which I have yet to organize, and I just keep my Cricut on it, but this is where a lot of my Etsy stuff is going to be going. And yeah, I need to go through all those drawers and organize, so let's do this. This might take longer than I thought. I have a lot of stuff. I emptied out one row, or one end I should say, of shelving, and now I just have like random piles everywhere. It makes sense to me, but now I need to figure out like where to put all of this stuff. I think I need to go through the other drawer before I can do that. Let me just show you some of the craziness, because I got a lot of stuff going on right here. Well, I found a bunch of these like more adult coloring books. I don't even know why I have these, because I don't color. Like, I know that might be surprising because I'm an art teacher, but if I'm gonna do something, I'd rather draw, paint, you know. I'm just not a big colorer, however my students are. So I'm gonna take all of these. This one is extremely gorgeous. I think this was actually a gift, maybe from my sister, but it's beautiful and it's so my style. I wish I colored. I just can't get into it. So I'm gonna take it to school, and this will just be like my master copy. I try to keep, you know, different coloring books at school, and then I make copies of them throughout the year, and I try to make them the challenging ones like this. So yeah, that was a good find. I have, what, 4 pretty big books. Then I have a pile of like my random craft stuff. You guys, some of this stuff, I feel like a lot of this is leftover from like sorority days, back in the days when, you know, you crafted with glitter and gems and all of this stuff. Like, look at those gems, oh my gosh. And this glitter, I mean, I will say it is really, really pretty. I just can't believe I still have it. Like these gems too, pom-poms, just random stuff. This I have had, I kid you not, since I was a little girl. I think it was actually my sister's, so even older. And yeah, when I was a little kid, like, there's a lot of the same beads in here that I had, especially I remember these ones when I was a kid, and I made little like friendship bracelets. Isn't that crazy? And I don't want to give it up. I can't. I'm keeping it. Fun fact that I forgot about, I got into needle felting for a little bit. I mean, I still would love to get back into it. Like I mentioned earlier, I have so many hobbies. But I just messed around with it for a little bit. I do really love it. It was so much fun. You can make like little three-dimensional things, or you can make more like tapestry kind of stuff like this. But I mean, I've seen people make purses. Like there's tons of stuff you can make. I would never make this kind of stuff and sell it, but I would totally make it for just myself and for fun. Now that I see this, I kind of want to get back into it, but I don't know, it's very relaxing. I feel like it's kind of like painting with felt. It's really interesting, so definitely give it a try if you are into like arts and crafts and stuff like that. Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday. I didn't end the vlog yesterday because I, oh my gosh, was taking so much stuff from my craft area up to the attic, and the attic was like 100 and some degrees. It was disgusting. It was humid. I was gross. Tony got home, and then I just kind of finished up organizing, and I had to run a quick errand, and then we made dinner. So I just figured I would hop on today and do like a part 2. I did finish organizing my craft area. I didn't finish the little table with my Cricut, but I'm gonna quick show you like the organization. I didn't go out and get like bins and things for everything. I kind of just tried to use what I had. I do need to go out and get some of those like containers for paper. Also, all of my camera stuff I had in all of my camera bags, just kind of like on the floor in the office, and I hated it. So as convenient as it was to just grab a camera bag, I just didn't like that system. And so now I was able to, well, you'll see, but I was able to put all of my camera stuff like in my craft drawers. So yeah, I cleared this up, and then I just tidied pretty much every drawer. So the first drawer is my paper cutters, and I think some scissors. Yeah, scissors and hole punchers. Then I have my glue, tape, and my label maker. Some paper products and a container for some labels and things. This drawer is for my vinyl, which I have discovered. This is all Cricut vinyl. I hate Cricut vinyl, so now I have all of this stuff. I mean, I guess I can still use it for, because these are really pretty colors. I'll still use it. Maybe I was thinking for vinyl that isn't gonna like get beat up or deal with heat, because they don't last, in my opinion, and like what things I've used on them, they just don't last. Now, I did do black vinyl from Cricut on a wine glass, and that held up, but I discovered the Oracle 651 vinyl, and now I'm never going back. So this is my vinyl, some things that I still want to put vinyl on. My last drawer is like simple art supplies. Then under the desk I have a nail. This was already here, but I thought I'd show you, from my Cricut mat, my cutting mats for sewing, some rulers and stuff like that. Okay, over on this side, this is kind of like my office type supplies. I'm considering making a teacher toolbox for right there in the middle. That was my goal, but then kind of like everything fit in here, so I don't know. I have to decide. If I do make a teacher toolbox for at home, I think I'm going to film it and just kind of like show you how to do it. So anyway, this is like office stuff. And then this drawer is my camera chargers, all of my GoPro accessories. If you have a GoPro, you understand. They have so many accessories, and they're so tiny. So I wanted something safe to keep them in. So here's like all of this stuff, some extra GoPro batteries. I made this little zip pouch forever ago, and I just love it. I clip it on my camera bag when I'm traveling, and it's perfect. I have some camera tripods and extendables. This one is waterproof and floats for the GoPro. Just, you know, that kind of stuff. And then this drawer is some camera stuff. So I have my DSLR, another lens, my GoPro, And then my external hard drive, iPad keyboard, this is headphones, and then this is my Apple chargers to my iPad and to my computer. And then this is some packaging stuff and more packaging stuff. And then I did not organize my Cricut table yet. I did move my washi tape in here though, like guys. I went through a planner phase and I got tons of washi tape. I still love washi tape, like it's just adorable. So I moved that in here. I got this cute cabinet a while ago and I love it. It fits my Cricut perfectly at the top. I got it from Target. They probably even might still have it because I think it's one of those things that they just have like all the time. They might not have the same pretty blue color, but I totally suggest it. I used to keep candles in it, so the inside still smells really, really good. Hi, you and your crate sleeping. Hi, I thought you were outside. Hi. Okay, let's go out. Let's go outside. I think I'm gonna take a hike today. I usually take Dixie for a run / walk. Like I run as far as I can. She's been up to, so I also need to like get her used to running. So she has been, I think, up to 3 miles, and then we usually walk 1. But I like to do that a little bit earlier. It's 8 o'clock now. And the trail that we go to just gets more people on it, you know, as the morning progresses. And she gets more distracted when there's people and dogs on it. Now, like, I have gone all different times of the day. It's not a big deal, but I did also kind of want to just switch it up. Really beautiful morning to go on a hike. We had a great time. Dixie's so tired. Hopefully I wore her out for the day. So I think I'm gonna go home, drop Dixie off, make some lunch, and then go to Target or Walmart or something and look for storage for that Cricut table and the stuff that I want to put in there. So, and I think also today I want to get a blanket and a book and go to the dog park, let Dixie run around a little bit even more, or even just maybe like put the blanket in the backyard and read back there if I don't have time to go to the dog parks. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog. I hope everyone's having a fabulous summer, getting outside, enjoying, relaxing, whatever you need to do. And I will see you guys in my next video. It's probably going to be a sit-down video. I'm thinking doing more sit-down videos, maybe less vlogs, unless something really exciting is happening. Like I said, I do want to travel, do day trips. Like I will definitely vlog those. But if I'm just like chilling at home, relaxing, doing chores and yard work, like I might not vlog that much. If you are not subscribed, you can do that right below, and also don't forget to like this video and comment below. If you hit the notification bell, you will also get notified every time I upload a video, and that way you won't miss anything. So alright, I will see you guys in my next video.